G'day guys, my name's Taz, and this is Project Gilby, the budget bobber build. And today is probably the most significant of the videos. It's where we make Project Gilby officially a bobber by cutting that back guard. And you can see the line marked in electrical tape that I'm going to follow. And I'm not going to bore you with all the details of how I got that line. But ultimately I wanted it at about 11 o'clock, which is sort of borderline legal. It's the mirror reverse of that strut angle. It's in proportion to the front guard that I've cut. And I think to sort of cut it back at 12 o'clock, it's not legal, and also it might actually be too savage for the look that I'm actually going for on Gilby. So we'll give it a whirl. What can go wrong, he says. So I've assembled a few things I need. Electrical tape, obviously, which I've marked the line out with. A woolen blanket so I don't mark up or set fire to the rest of the bike. Cutting blade on the angle grinder. Some side cutters. Some safety equipment. A grinding blade. Some power. You know, the usual. Let's get to it. Let's start cutting this guard, guys. Right, so first thing is ultimately just to cut the lead and pull these tabs back so that I can get the lead to the head, so the tail light, out of the way. Give myself enough room to play with. So ultimately, cut that right there. Yeah, so that gets that right out of the way. Just tuck that in up underneath there. So in theory, that should just fall away. Earmuffs. Jeez. Right, so that went fairly painlessly. Just if you can see that I've cut my hand, I actually did that in the shed getting stuff, not actually doing this. Right, let's Just use some orange spot solvent to get the not masking tape, the electrical tape residue off. Clean up the area. Right. So there's the cut. And the big reveal, there's the guard. That is the bobbed rear fender. Got the light to install somewhere there, which will just change the look of it slightly, but realistically guys, that is all there is to it. It's just getting that line correct and then just having the confidence to cut up a perfectly good motorcycle. No doubt that's going to create some controversy. No doubt people will have an opinion on where I should have cut it, but I think that's a good start. I'm really happy with it. My name's I Ride Taz. This is Project Gilby. It's budget bobber build, and I am out.